The old way of starting a business is becoming obsolete. You no longer need a large team of experts or a massive budget to hit seven figures. Today, a single person using exactly 3 AI tools can build a million-dollar company from scratch. This isn't just a theory. A tiny team of 3 people recently reached $1 million in yearly revenue in only 6 months, and they didn't spend a single dollar on traditional advertising. Success in this new landscape belongs to AI tool power users. These are people who know how to command these systems to do the heavy lifting, allowing them to build massive projects without writing a single line of code. You might already be familiar with AI, but scaling a business is difficult when you don't know how to bridge the gap between different tools. Most experts skip over the messy middle, the actual process of connecting these systems together without technical skills. If you want to master the systems that are building this next generation of businesses, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Brand Tech Off so you never miss a blueprint. As AI allows a single person to produce the same output as an entire department, the high expenses of traditional agencies become a liability. Because these lean, automated businesses can move faster and charge less, the old models simply won't be able to compete by 2026. Every great business starts with a market. Look for boring industries, like law, manufacturing, or the trades. These fields have high-value customers and are desperate for new leads, but they are often the slowest to adopt new technology. You must transform your customer situation. Your service is the bridge from a difficult before to an ideal after. A winning offer promises high-value results and a high likelihood of achievement, while requiring almost no time or effort from your client. You want the perceived value of your service to be 10 times higher than your price. You can achieve this by offering a bold guarantee, like promising a specific result in 60 days or they don't pay a cent. To grow without a huge staff, avoid custom work. Instead of doing something different for every client, sell a standardized, repeatable system. Selling the exact same cookie-cutter process to every client is the secret to high efficiency. It's how a solo founder can keep as much as 84% of their revenue as pure profit. Now, let's look at how you find customers. Instead of using static websites, use interactive quiz funnels. These ask potential clients a few helpful questions, giving them a quick win while helping you identify who is a good fit. You can attract these leads without spending any money on ads. By giving an AI specific instructions about your brand, you can generate high-quality social media content that brings customers directly to you for free. This brings us to the AI glue. This is the connective tissue that links your marketing, your sales offer, and your actual work into one automatic process. Manual lead generation is a waste of your time. You can use a tool like Manus AI to act as an autonomous researcher. It scans the web, finds the right people to contact, and checks their details while you focus on other things. To make this work, you treat the AI like a student. You give it your best past work and successful examples, then refine its instructions until it handles tasks exactly the way you would. When you feed this specific history into an advanced system like Claude, it learns to match your brand voice perfectly. It can eventually handle everything from writing emails to updating your sales records. This setup bridges the gap between robotic automation and a personal touch. It allows your income to grow as much as you want without ever needing to increase your headcount. Slow and steady. It is important to remember that the goal of this blueprint isn't to let a machine take over your entire life. The most successful modern businesses today are built on a powerful partnership where humans and AI work together. You act as the conductor. You provide the vision and the unique human insights, while the AI acts like a powerful suit of armor that helps you do 100 times more work than you could alone. You now have the 3 colors you need: a high-value niche, a perfect offer, and an automated engine to run the business. Empire builders in this decade will use these blueprints to amplify their own thinking and reach more people than ever before. You have the map. The only thing left to do is build it.